po,
yung gusto
sige,
niyo makita?
sample. Kahit
Sample,
alin po.
sample.
Ikaw lang mag-hold, ah.
Sige, tingnan. Yung medyo yellow.
The yellow one. How do you call them?
Leopard geckos.
Leopard
Yeah.
geckos.
Leopard geckos sila
I
because
heard geckos, stick.
usually
your skin.
most geckos they do, pero this one doesn't. Kasi if you notice, may claws sila. Like,
Oh.
tapos di sila padded toes, unlike most geckos na nagka-climb ng walls. This one, more on crawling lang.
Crawling.
Tapos they're called leopard geckos kasi ito yung pinaka-normal type.
Okay.
This
Pinaka-normal.
one.
When you say normal, what do you mean by
Like,
normal?
when you see them in the wild, usually ganito yung pattern nila.
Ganyan yung
Kasi
pattern
yung
ng
orange
skin.
usually, that's like from
Dotted
breeding
sila.
Yeah. And that's why they're called leopard geckos kasi if you're familiar with the animal, yung leopard, yung parang,
Dotted.
parang ganyan.
Spotted siya.
Yeah. Ganyan.
That's right. Okay.
Pakita ko. Sige.
And how much is one? Do you sell them for each?
Yeah, this one, ito yung basic type, usually the cheapest one, goes around 2K.
My goodness, it's expensive. And how much do you feed them?
They eat around twice a week lang if they're adult. Pero if they're like
Okay.
hatchling or sub-adult, they eat almost every
What
day.
do they eat?
Roaches. Or
Roaches.
pwede rin yung superworm, mealworm.
Uy, there are roaches in the house. They will eat them. Kaso we have a cat. Ayan, oh. Ayun. Hindi madala sa pest control. Yung mga roaches doon. So these will eat them.
Yeah.
Kaso 2,000 siya. Ayan. Ang pest control is 1,500. And it's not over.
Yeah, pero at least ito, you get a pet.
Oo, you get a pet and then they will eat them forever. Hindi naman. Hindi ba sila napo-poison sa mga different kinds of roaches?
Hindi naman. I mean,
And they don't get sick
you
when they
feed-
eat them.
Problem kasi with if you feed yung roaches from the wild, like in your house,
They
di mo
are
kasi sure-
roaches in the house.
like di mo sure if like they have parasites. So
Ay,
kunyari
oo.
may parasite yung roaches mo, transfer to the gecko. So
Okay.
usually you feed them yung clean roaches na parang, actually here,
Dapat
meron tayong example.
clean na roaches
Yeah,
siya.
like this one.
They have clean roaches coming
pero
from
they have
here.
like this roaches.
Oh my goodness. What kind of roaches are these?
Bibia roaches.
Where do you get them from the wood?
They eat, usually they keep